Hey everybody, it's Mark Waldhoff with the Mark Waldhoff team, and I got Mike Goebel here with me today. So we are here to share a little bit of information about what's going on with activity in the market, specifically around showings, so a number of showings on properties, and then open houses too. So what do you got for us, Mike?
Yeah, so just a couple quick notes about this graph here. So you'll see showing activity started to pick up for the year. When it got really cold, obviously no one wanted to go out and see houses. But we've seen it kind of pick up here as we started the year. One thing of note here, this line here is COVID, when it really dipped off and the amount of showings just completely tanked. But it then picked up pretty quick.
Yeah, it came roaring back, and this doesn't really show you before 2020, but the pace of 2020 through 23 is higher than what it was before that. And yeah, we're starting off with a great start to the year. The other thing you can see on here is you can see these dips when the holidays take place. You've got, I think that's Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. And so yeah, you do see pauses in activity during holiday weekends. People are traveling, they have family over. So you want to be aware of that if you're looking to buy or sell. It doesn't mean it's a good or a bad time. It just means you need to understand what that's going to do to your search or your sale and make sure that all makes sense for you. So yeah, so it's a good market.
And then just a quick note here about open houses. So you can kind of see that throughout the year we're pretty consistent on the number of open houses, but it does kind of tend to cool off as you get into the winter months. And then definitely takes a dip over the holidays around Christmas. But we are starting to see the number of open houses start to pick back up as we're kind of moving towards spring.
Yeah, and you'll see the other things in here too, just like the showing chart, like open houses over Labor Day were lower, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's, and then you've got Super Bowl Sunday here this Sunday, so we're expecting to see this be lower for open houses too. So that's not surprising, it is kind of a holiday. Speaking of Super Bowl, we've got our Super Bowl Squares pool coming out, and so we'd invite all of you guys to get in there. I think we still have a handful of squares left, so you guys have a chance to get in there. We've got some great prizes. It's free, and so we hope you get involved with that and you can enjoy the Super Bowl. Or Taylor Swift, as I know that Mike will be.
Yes, definitely.
All right. Thanks, guys. If you got a question about the market or your house in general, property values, whatever, give us a call. Our team's here to help, and go Chiefs.
Or 49ers.